Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issues when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store for OPPO Find X2 Neo. So first let's open our Google Play Store. Here try to find Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no results that we can download. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, family, parental controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now let's try finding the game again, and it's right here, we can download it. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.